Hey guys, it's your girl D. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl D, and you watching Mama with the TV. So today I'll be giving you guys an eyebrow tutorial on how to do an eyebrow shit. You know, I got a story to tell anyways. So you know how it's quarantine and all. So I got bored. I was like, I seen the little clippers. I was like, all right. And I was like, did I really do that? But it's not bad. But I'll be showing you guys how to do your eyebrows and all that. You don't even gotta buy expensive stuff. It's just buy the beauty supply store. Cheap. So you are busted right now. So we're gonna have to change that. Let me put some lashes on and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So let's get into the video. Alright, so first you will be needing your eyebrow pencil. You can find these at your local beauty supply store, but I'll be using this today. LA Girl. It's not gonna focus, but LA Girl brow pencil. So first you'll be outlining your eyebrows. So next you will be grabbing your LA Girl. Oh, you'll be grabbing your concealer, any type. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So you're gonna use this to contour your under eyebrow, and you're gonna use this type of pencil with an angle. If you were wondering, I got these pencils from Amazon for $11. They're very good, so I suggest you go get them. So now you're going to underline the bottom of your eyebrow with the concealer first. So now you're gonna do the other side. So here my slit was a little too big, so I went back with it with the eyebrow pencil. Look at them slits. Like, are you serious? Or are you joking with me? So now you're going to blend that baby in. So you're gonna use a brush that looks like this. I don't know if I can See, but it looks like that, and you're just gonna pat that baby in, blend that baby in. Take your time, because we don't want it to be unblended now. Take your time. So when I say blend, you blend that baby in, okay? So until you're satisfied, you're gonna move on to the other side and blend that baby in. Skin a little dry, you can get some water to like help blend, because my skin is getting dry sometimes, so it's not dry now, but that's a little too much. So after you're done blending, you're gonna go back with the little angle brush and you're gonna carve out the top with the foundation. Now you're gonna do the other side. Alright, so now you're gonna blend it out with the same brush. Here are the end results, and yes, all these products, you could buy it from your local beauty supply store, like I said again. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and it's gonna be a new journey. So